Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on eToro. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in etoro.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official eToro website. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into your login portal. Now, if you already have an account, you can click on the sign in with Apple or the Facebook and Google buttons if you use these accounts to sign up in the first place. Otherwise, just type in your username or your email address followed by your account password. Finally, click on the sign in button, and if you are not logging in from a private device, make sure you uncheck the keep me logged in for 30 days box. After finally clicking on the sign in button, you will successfully be logged into your account on eToro. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your existing account on eToro. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.